Hi everyone, welcome to another Language Broker English lesson. Let's listen to a short story. Do not translate, just listen. It is a cold morning. Mike walks to the train station. He wears a warm scarf. It is blue and soft. He got it from his grandmother. The wind is strong today. Suddenly, the wind takes his scarf. Oh no, Mike says. He looks around. The scarf flies onto the sidewalk. It stops near a woman. The woman sees the scarf. She picks it up. Is this yours? She asks. Yes, thank you so much, Mike says. You're welcome, says the woman. Mike smiles. He puts the scarf in his backpack. No more wind problems, he laughs. He and the woman wait for the train together. They talk about the cold weather. The train comes. They get on and sit together. It is the start of a nice day. The end. Great job listening to that story. I hope you were able to pick up on and hear some familiar words. As always, practice, practice, practice. Thank you for watching. Please click like, click subscribe, go to the next lesson, where we will listen to more short stories in English so that you can practice understanding English more. Have a good day. Bye.